Hey guys, it's Andrew Morgan. I'm here with Swami from the CyberCNS team. We wanted to walk through some of the things that you guys are going to be very, I think, delighted about, and we're going to talk about more tomorrow, or you might have questions. But Swami, let you take it away with, obviously, first off, a new look and feel in the interim before we roll out the full new UI change. So this looks awesome, but go ahead and talk about what some of the changes that you and the team have been working on.
Hello, this is Swami. Thanks, Andrew.
Sure.
So we have changed the look and feel and the fonts and the color theme. We get it from the partners. They are saying the color is more contradiction. So we changed it, and we have the flat menu. So you can able to see all the menus over here. So first, the dashboard. This is a company overview dashboard. And here you can able to see the overview of vulnerabilities, critical, high, and medium. So you can able to see per day and the last 120 days view from here. And here you'll see the top 10 external vulnerabilities and what are the Windows machine which needs to be patched and what is the latest KB needs to be patched. So all the information you can able to see it from this dashboard. Also, we have the executive summary, assets, and vulnerability, jobs, and Active Directory. So we have the total number of users in the Active Directory and computers. So you can able to see all the information in one place. So I'm just navigating to assets. So this is the easy navigation links. So here it is assets, vulnerabilities, and jobs. And here is the insights which you can able to just click and see the overall each company, what is the total number of vulnerabilities and what is a critical and high, everything from this table itself. So we have the list of companies and which one has like most vulnerabilities and what is the risk scores and which machine is configured, AD Active Directory is configured or not. So all the information you can able to see it from this insights tab. So I'm just navigating to assets. So list of assets for that company. So it'll we just change that cleaner UI. So I'm just filtering to the Zotac 1.2 machine. So some of the UI changes for the device information page. So here we have the information of that host name and the IP address and CPU. So which agent it is discovered and pulling the data from, and last vulnerability scan date and time, and which is discovered on this day and time, and what is the OS and install date and last boot date. And below here, there is a list of users for this machine. You can able to see all the users here and logical disk and this is the network which is available in this device. So all the information you can able to see it from this page. Also, we have just combined the vulnerability score and the vulnerabilities from here. So previously it is splitted and it is like left side and right side. So we just group together and see you can able to get like overview of what is the vulnerabilities and split by critical, high, medium, and low. These are all the CVs for the critical vulnerabilities. So the same here, high and medium and low. So here is a ports open table. So you can just click and expand it and see the full list of ports and what is the protocols and what is the product which is used by this port. And you can able to just click to download the CSV. So you can export it and save it and you can send it to the client. For the same here in install software as well. So you can just click and expand. You can see the full list of install software. Also, we are planning to add the application baseline here. So whatever the application baseline you configured there, so that application is denied list or allowed list. So you can able to see it from this table itself. So the same, you can able to download the installed software list as a CSV. So you can able to do that here. So the missed software which is allowed, and security report card, and compliance report, and what is a shared permission. So what are the tabular format, so you can able to download as a CSV and see it from Excel, and installed KBs and available security updates. These are all the KBs which is needs to be installed here. So all the information in one place you can able to see, and quickly navigating to the vulnerabilities. And these are all the four network related vulnerabilities, and these are all like unauthenticated, and it has like 1214 authenticated vulnerabilities. So you'll get that full list over here. And
say, if I could interject here, because there was a comment about you guys really have upped the detail. I think there was comments on, specifically what is the CVE about, and then potentially fixes on it. So, this looks really, really good.
yes, Andrew. So we are just pulling that information and along with the CVE list, and we are preparing it while releasing this patch. We can able to send it across that too.
It's awesome.
So that you can able to see it from this vulnerability. So this is the company, and these are all the operating system available in this company. So we have like split by operating system, and you can see across like critical, high, medium, low, and the risk score over here. So the same thing, you can just click the critical vulnerability, and you can able to see that full information. What Andrew is saying is that, so we have to get this recommendation, and what is the exact patch that we are working on it right now. And while releasing this, you can able to see the recommendations. Excuse me. So here you can able to see like critical, high, low, medium, as well as like overall all the vulnerabilities from this selection. The same here. This is the network vulnerabilities, and you can able to see like SSL and TLS server support only version 1.0. This is like 7 machines are affected. So you can just click machine here, and you can able to navigate to that asset, and you can able to see which asset and all the information from here. So this is the software inventory, and the same here. So we just cleaned up the UI, and you can able to see the full cumulative updates and all the updates of this Windows OS patch, as well as like these are all the Windows application patches. So all the installed applications which is installed, and these are all the applications which is not installed in these two assets. So you can able to get like what is a application is installed, and which is mandatory or baseline set, and you can able to see where all it is missed, all the information from this table here. So this is the jobs, and you can able to see uh, full information of this, like 258 succeeded, and 2 failed. Sorry, 256 succeeded and 2 failed. So here these two is failed. So why it is means like maybe the host is offline or firewall protected. So remaining all, like we can able to see like 5 vulnerabilities and SSL grade A. So this is the external scan job, and you can able to get all the information of that scan, and what are the IPs and domains which is scanned, and what is the latest status, without going into that external scan and click the domain to see the information. So this is one, and the reports. So the reports, we changed the UI. So previously it was it looks like boxes and segregated by this groups, company, security posture, and PPTX report, something like that. So we just changed into the tabular view, and you can able to see all the reports at a time, and you can able to download by clicking this icon. So that is the change here. And moving to vulnerability, same, you can able to see the split by operating systems, the direct navigation to this, and the external scan. So we have the external scan groups. So you can, as already discussed many times, so we have the CADR IP ranges and bulk CSV upload, static IP, and by clicking this, so this is the scan, so we can go inside. There is no vulnerabilities found, and the SSL report is not there. So I'm just going to show you one more thing. So here, CyberCNS full DIR change. Yeah. So yeah, so we have the full port scan here, and we have the previous scan and current scan. Any difference from the previous call? We have the recommendation saying that this is added or this is removed. So these information you can able to see it from this table itself. So in this case, also the if any counts different mismatch is found, so you can able to see the count in this table, recent scan history itself. And the SSL report we added the same here. So we have the issues as well as like added or removed. So you can able to get that full information from this table itself. So that is a change here, and this is the rules for the allowed port and denied port, and this is the external scan jobs. So we grouped for external scan for this job. So the same here, alerts, and this is the application baseline. So currently we are just working on it to clean up this application security and notification rules. So pretty much it is almost done. So it is in QA. So you will get the latest test. Once tested, we'll release these two after that. And the reports, the same cleaner tabular view, and the same goes here too. So we have the run report and the generated report information you can able to see and click download it from here. So same in login audit. So pretty much we just cleaned up without any like different color or something. Yeah, and the users table as well, and the roles. So yeah. So yeah, integrations. So we have added notifications rules here. So whatever the notification rules, we are just changed there to here. So you just add the integration once here, and you can click to any company mapping, and whatever the company mapping you mapped. So whenever you do the notification rules and choose the notification type, it will automatically show these are all the available integrations. You just mark it and provide any to email or any content to be posted for that notification. It will automatically pick it and apply to that, and you can able to see it. So these are all the webhooks, Slack webhooks, Microsoft Teams, and email. So we have that 4 integration added extra. And so this is report customization. So yeah, so pretty much the cleaner UI for you guys have to tell me. So this is it. Thanks, Andrew.
Thanks, Swami. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow, 11 Eastern, and great job. Please thank the dev team, and I